Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the shining light. Shine, baby, shine. You are becoming your final form, or an upgraded, not final form, but evolved form, because we're always going to continue to grow. But you're raising to the next level where you're ready for another adventure around the world. You're ready to show the standard of positivity, the standard of love, light, and showing people that the impossible is possible. We're coming out of a hard time, but you're showing that great days and a great life lies ahead. When people can see it, they believe it much easier than just hearing about it. And you are showing, you are glowing. My desire to improve myself transforms fear into strength, and transform your strength into something great where you can maintain bigger blessings. Making sure that you come stronger means that you can maintain, rain, sleet, or snow, these blessings. And then as you can maintain them, putting the work, you can be trusted to receive them. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe. I accept myself as a soul, and to discover the light that dwells within me. Shine, baby, shine. You've been putting in all the work. You become a stronger version than you ever been, the strongest version yet. And you're only going to get stronger, therefore, more great experiences and blessings are coming your way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.